So I'm going to continue setting up this drawing. I think I left off with let's see, I think I need the word linked in my architectural drawing. So let's go to this. Let's go to elevation view. And I think so these levels were copied, and basement, first, second, top of, and they should be in the architect's drawing. Okay, so we are here. So I think that what we need to do next is to create the floor plans for the drawing. Let's see. Let's go. I think I can go. Let's go basement level. Double click basement level. But what I need to do is copy this basement level from the architect's drawing or model, or duplicate it. Let's duplicate it and place it in the plumbing category. Okay, so I'm going to go to properties and change some of these parameters so that it is plumbing, and the subdiscipline is going to be plumbing or piping. Yeah, plumbing. Okay, so that's that. So when we go back to our browser and we look under plumbing, I'm gonna kind of collapse these guys. So we got basement level. I'm gonna rename that. Let's call it I'm gonna say P plumbing basement level, and erase this, otherwise Revit is going to give me a duplication error. Okay, so that's the basement level. Where are we? Okay, so let's close these views out and basement level architect. Okay, so now we have a basement level. That's supposed to be the basement level. Okay, so next what we need to do is find out how the architect has his basement level set up. Okay, so I need to go to the architect's model to find out what view they used, so we can copy that view onto our plumbing in our plumbing model. So we're at the architect's floor plans, and what I need to look at are how the basement levels are set up. Here's a basement level reference, basement level floor plan. I think there's another one. Roof, wall, basement level. Oh, here's another one. Basement level floor plan. Copy of level. So, okay, let's just look at that. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. There's one. And reference. Let's do this and do this. Okay, so that's one. Basement level reference plan. Is that the same? Yeah, probably. Well, let's see. Okay. Both of those look good. I mean, it looks good. Let's do another one. Floor plan, basement. Okay, I don't know about that one. I like the other two better. So let's do no grids. Let's see what the grids are. Let's do visual graphics. Let's grayed out. Okay, so if it's grayed out, so if it looks like you're locked out of these how to modify, right? So it looks like we can't do anything to this. So in other words, it's locked, but we can unlock these because I want to look at the grids, and that has to do with the properties in the browser. So if you go down, see this template right here, this view template. That's how you can lock stuff. You know, you can lock your browser or your, what is that, visual graphics. What's the name of this? Visual graphics, visibility graphics override. Okay, so cancel. So what I want to do in order to unlock the visual graphics, you choose this template. Okay, go back to none. Okay, because these are all the controllers here. And say okay. And now when you go back to visual graphics, you can see that now you can manipulate what you need. And I want grids. So I highlight G and go to grids. So grids are here. Let's see. I'm glad they were off. So, okay, yeah, that's good. I think that what I want is this floor plan, not the reference plan. Let's go back. Level 0, floor plan, basement southwest. Wait a minute. Something's not right. Something don't look right. This one. And level 0, floor plan, basement southwest. Nope, I don't want that one. Basement reference plan. What happened to it? Come on. I think it's down here. Yeah, okay, we want level 0, floor plan, basement. That's the one I want. Okay. So now that we're back to the plumbing model, we can use the information from what we saw in the architect's model for what plan, how we want this basement plan to look, right? So let's go to our visual graphics and look at our link, which is the architect's drawing, right? So the display setting now is on the host view, okay? But I want to change that to by link view, right? So by link view, and we want level 0, floor plan, where we want level 0, I think it's, no, not the reference. Level 0. Level 0, did I pass it? I might have passed it. I think I passed it, because I think it was level, yeah, level 0. Level 0, finish floor plan. Come on. So here. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. Level 0. Or was it basement? Let's go down more. Okay. Still haven't found it. Here we are again. Talking on the phone. Was it this one? I thought it said floor plan. Level 1 or level 0. basement level, basement. Huh, there it is, this one, nope, that's the area plan. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. That one, man, I don't know if I like that. We'll see what happens. So, oh, okay, that's not too bad. I don't particularly like it, but I think that that's, yeah, I can work with that. Yeah, I can work with that. I think that that's it. Okay, so continuing, I think that this is going to be the floor plan that will be used. So let's crop out some of this shadows, crop view, uncrop view, show crop region. Okay, yeah. So let's get this down to the basement level. I think I can hide some of this, right? Crop view, hide crop region, crop view. Okay. And let's move this guy over to here and down. So that's the idea of getting your floor plan. The rest is going to be, manual, however you want to look at your view. I think I can come over just a little bit more. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that looks good. And let's see. Some of these, I think what I'm going to do is, so that's the idea. The rest of this can be cleaned up. However, your office standard is going to look at this. Let's see, properties. Can I do show all? What about none? Let's do none. Is that going to make a difference? Nope. Okay. I want the architect's drawing to stand out a little bit more. Show complete. Phase filter, none. Okay. I think that's going to be about the best of it. So, man. Okay, I think I'm going to stop here. What about a view range? Basement level. So basement, I think we can go maybe -5. Let's go -5, 0, 4, up to level 1, 0. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's good. And these X's, I think I can, yeah, and then hide these category. Why I can't hide that? Is that mine? Architect's link. Think that, let's see, go back, link view. What I can do is, now that I have the floor plan that I need, I think I can change this to custom and keep the same view, right? Okay, that's good. And now I think, damn, I can't turn that off. That's not cool. What's going on? Okay, so I'm gonna try and figure that out. I'm gonna stop here and I will talk to you guys later.